I recently purchased this Sony Srf S84 from online store, and I was so excited to unbox it. I actually forgot to clean up my table as well. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. And of course I will look inside whether it is fake or not, because so many ideas about these radios and Sony Srf S83 as well as 84, all they use Sony CX21 and IC. So this radio contain this IC or not? So that's why I purchased it. It's at the first place. It is the exact copy of Srf S84. It is quite hard to tell whether it is fake or not until I check its performance, and quite disappointed because my Srf S83 picks up all the station, but this one unable to catch any station. Actually I lost my footage, the inside view, but I have some clips, so let's enjoy.